The blog is often overlooked because of the reach our news articles can achieve, but it works its magic in different ways and can still get you some amazing results. Because you don't have the same restrictions, you can get really creative and show your personality, the human side to your business. But don't go all out salesy. Keep in mind the core AmpiFire principles. Create hyper-specific content that is focused on your prospects. This is always better than hyping up your own product or service in an over-the-top way. If you optimize your blog well, you can get some impressive visibility. Let's take a look at some examples where blogs have really worked their magic. Okay, so here we've got a Browns Point orthodontist. This blog focuses on a great keyword string right off the bat. Best invisible braces in Browns Point. It focuses on a prospect pain point and gives valuable information. The result? Second in the rankings, even with around 55 million results. Browns Point orthodontist is a big search term, so this blog has been a huge success. Now, Black Horror Film Festival. This has ranked well despite huge competition. There are 127 million results for this search, and both the news article and the blog have hit the first page. This is where the magic of the blog comes in. Because it's written in a different style, you can connect with your audience in a different way. Let's switch fields again. Here we've got an SEO agency that's getting great results with their blog. This is always a competitive space, but with the right blogging techniques, this agency has achieved great visibility. And again, we've got first page rankings for a super competitive search term. This will be one of the first things a small business searches for if they want to grow locally. Notice that this one is ranking for the news, video, and blog. The modules are working in tandem to create omnipresence across multiple channels. Remember, to get this type of result, it's important to keep your audience's interests in mind across all the modules. Each element works together. The blog is particularly good at creating support ranking for your target keywords. You can also use it to branch out into related niche searches. Both approaches work, and the one that's right for you depends on your competition and goals. Hopefully this inspires you to get going and get creative with your own blogs. With these tips in mind, you can really work some magic.